Hey, what's up? I'm your credit coach with another weekly tip. And this week, I want to talk about what does it feel like? What I mean by that is, what does being denied feel like? What does being overcharged for things that you want to apply for credit or obtaining credit feel like? How does it feel to be looked as a bad person, someone they cannot trust because of your bad credit? What does it feel like? Let that ponder, let that feeling, that emotion sink in, because you have to understand that that emotion, that feeling of being denied is one you want to avoid. I know it. I was there. I used to have bad credit. I used to be denied. I would go apply for stuff and they would overcharge me. And I didn't find that very fair, all because one, I didn't know how credit works. Number two, I had bad credit. And number three, I decided to not do anything about it. So ask yourself this question. How does it feel to have bad credit? How does it feel to be taken advantage simply because you decide not to take action on improving your credit? Let that answer ponder. Hopefully that will motivate you to take action on improving your life as well as your credit.